Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how I optimize my YouTube videos for SEO using a Chrome extension and AI, ChatGPT. Here we go. Hi, I'm Shelley Shulman. I am a business growth strategist and I am here to help you grow your business by giving you easy to follow hints and tips that are easy to implement in your own businesses. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel to get access to all of my hints and tips. Okay, so we come into YouTube like I normally would. I would click on create, upload the video and choose the video that I want to upload. And then we just wait for that to go through. Now you can see I've already got a generic description there. I will be changing that when I do the optimization. I don't bother doing anything else at this point because I will be doing stuff once we've done the SEO optimization. So I click on next. I do add an end screen at this point, so I just choose the one that I want, click on save, and then I go through again. Obviously, we need to wait for it to do its check, so I click on next, and what I do is I keep the video as public. It's really important it is a public video, but I schedule the video for a few days in advance so that I can go in, do the SEO stuff that I need to do, and then come back in to schedule it for the date that I want to do it for. So I go ahead, I click on schedule, they're still checking the content. And then we need to wait for that to do its update and its check-in, and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, so that video is now up and scheduled. So then what I do is I click on the three dots to get the shareable link. I copy that and I open this in a new window. Now, this is where the plugins, the Chrome extensions come in really handy. So I've got two that I use. I either use, it's called YouTube Summary, or there is another one called Glass that I use. And what you need to do is click on those, click on the down arrow, and it will give you the transcript of the video that you want to use. So you are going to need to click on the squares and copy that. I then head over into ChatGPT and paste the transcript. Now at the top, I put a prompt in to ChatGPT. Now I can give you these as a link with the video. So what I do is it says, I would like to optimize this YouTube video to be found in searches by mine is online business owners. Please make sure to read my transcript, then conduct keyword research and find high search volume, low competition keywords that match my transcript and video. After that, present your findings from the research and propose tags to add to my YouTube video. So I pop that above the transcript and I click on start, and it will give me tags that I can add, go back in and add to the YouTube video. So you can see that it's searching for those at the moment. So you can see here, proposed YouTube tags. So I'm going to copy that code there because it's got it all for me. I'm going to go back to the video. I'm going to click on edit video. And then I'm going to come down. I'm going to click on show more. I'm going to come down to tags. I'm going to delete the automatic ones that I put in, just delete all. And then I'm going to copy and paste. And this has given me specific tags for that particular YouTube topic. And then I hit save. I then go back to get the next prompt and say, now please write an SEO optimized description based on the keywords that currently reflect the video. So I go back into ChatGPT and put that in. So this is going to give me a great description. Here you go. So I'm just going to scroll down for that, copy and paste that. And again, go back to the video details, go back, and I'm going to go up and copy and paste that. Now I'm going to leave my generic description there because it does have all of my links in it. So I'm going to do that. And again, I'm going to hit save. Now, finally, the last thing that I do is I want to make sure that this is a really good SEO description, SEO title, because people use YouTube like a search engine. So they will be typing in things like how to do X, Y, Z. So I go back to the prompt guide, click on please suggest an SEO optimized title, but I also ask it to suggest a clickbait title for the thumbnail, because sometimes we need SEO optimized descriptions for the title, but we also like the cover images to be really, really catchy. Again, it depends on the topic that you are doing. If it's a sensitive topic, then please don't choose a clickbait title. But for other things, you could get away with doing a clickbait title. So come back over to your chat, copy and paste that in, and we'll see what it suggests. So 2 intentionals, how to change currency in Kartra. Copy and paste that, because that would actually be something that somebody would search for, how to change currency in Kartra. So I would go and add that to my YouTube, and then again click on save. And for the currency one, why is Kartra charged in dollars? Wrong currency in Kartra, fix this. So I would copy and paste that. I would open my Canva. I have a generic YouTube video cover, so I would open that. I would copy and paste the cover, and then I would just download that as the one image. And then once that is downloaded, I would go back into the edit video and I would add that as my thumbnail. So you can see that I've added it in. I would add it to a playlist. If you have relevant playlists, I'd add it into a playlist. Then I would go back, look at the scheduled. When did we schedule it for? Because obviously it was in advance. So when do you want this to go out? So I might want it to go out on the 2nd of February, for example. So I would schedule that time in, do that, click on save, and that would all be done for you. Now, I'm not claiming you're going to get hundreds of thousands of views by doing this, but what you are doing is increasing the opportunity of your videos being found in searches when people are searching for your relevant topics that you are posting videos on YouTube for. I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips.